Hello students, how are you all? I just hope that you all are well. Now we'll continue with the same chapter, chapter 2, teeth and its care. We have already done kinds of teeth, but it's two kinds, incisors and canines. Now we'll do the third and fourth kind of teeth, premolars and molars. Now let us study about premolars. Premolars, they are also known as cracking teeth. Why so? Because they are used for cracking hard foods. And they are broad in structure. As you can see, they are broader in structure. And there are 4 premolars. How many? 4 premolars in each jaw. That means 4 premolars in upper jaw and 4 premolars in lower jaw. So total how many premolars are there? 8 premolars. Then comes molars. Molars, they are also known as grinding teeth. Why so? Now students, whenever your mom, she makes a very spicy tomato or tomato ki chutney, what she does? She puts all the ingredients in a grinding jar and she grinds it. So what grinders do? Grinders, they turn food items into a very fine paste. Into a very fine paste means into a chutney. So the same way molars, what they do, they act like a grinder. They crush and grind the food and makes it very fine, so that our body, in our body, the food gets easily digested. Now these are broad and flat. You can see here premolars, they are broad but they are not flat, but molars, they are broad and flat. Now there are 6 molars in each jaw. That means 6 in upper jaw and 6 in lower jaw. So total how many molars are there? There are 12 molars. Now students, just like other body parts, our teeth also needs proper care. And if we will not take proper care of our teeth, then we will suffer from various tooth related problems like toothache. That means pain in our tooth. Then tooth decay. That means the tooth starts decaying. Then cavities. There is hole in the tooth. And then swollen gums. Gums, it swells up. And plaque. Plaque is actually a layer, yellow layer, which starts forming over the tooth. Then comes, why do tooth decay? Now this is a question that why tooth it decay. So the answer is, when we don't brush our teeth, we should brush our teeth twice daily. Why? Because if we don't brush our teeth, then the food particles, whatever food we eat, it gets stuck in between the teeth. And when they stuck and we don't brush, then these particles, they start forming germs. And then these germs, they start secreting acids. And this acid, what it does? It dissolves enamel. Now what is enamel? Enamel is the outermost covering of the, or outermost layer of the tooth. So this acid, it dissolves enamel and causes tooth decay. Now students, as I told you earlier also, that just like other body parts, you have to take care of your teeth also. You need to take proper care of your teeth. So here are some rules that you have to follow to protect your teeth. Now what are they? We can protect our teeth by following these rules. Number 1, brush your teeth twice daily. You should always brush your teeth twice daily. That is early in the morning and before going to bed. And then second one is, brush your teeth up and down, in and out. This is the way how you brush your teeth. Up and down, then in and out. Now number 3 is rinse your mouth after every meal. That means you should, whether you're taking your breakfast, your lunch or dinner, you should always rinse your mouth. Then comes fourth one, avoid eating sweets and chocolates. That's because sweet and chocolates, they all are sugary foods. They contains sugar that is bad for your teeth. Then comes visit your dentist regularly for just to check your teeth, that is there anything, is there any cavities or is there any problem in your teeth or not. So you should always visit your dentist. Then number 6, drink milk daily. We should always drink milk daily. Why? Because milk is a good source of calcium, and calcium is required for strong teeth. So you should always drink milk daily. Students, you have to solve worksheet 1 of chapter number 2 of your book, and worksheet 2, this worksheet, and then you have to solve worksheet 3. All 3 worksheets to be done in book only. Okay. Now let us solve these exercises. Now these are objective type questions. Let us solve here. Teeth are dash, hard and bony structures. White or yellow? Teeth are white. So here you will write white. Now the outer white hard layer of crown is known as enamel or dentine? It is known as enamel. Now an adult has 25 teeth or 32 teeth? The answer is 32. Which foods should be avoided? Fruits and vegetables or junk food? We have to avoid junk food. So put a tick mark over here. Then, how many sets of teeth human beings have? 2 or 3? We have 2 sets of 2. Then fill in the blanks. The part of the tooth which is visible to us is called, now you have to choose from here. Options are given here. You have to choose from here. The part of the tooth which is visible to us is called molars, incisors, crown, cavity or dentine. The answer is crown. So you have to write it there first. Crown. Then the hole formed in the teeth is called cavity. Write cavity here. C-A-V-I-T-Y, cavity. The middle layer of the teeth is dentine. So you have to write here dentine. D-E-N-T-I-N-E, dentine. The flat front teeth are known as molars or incisors. You have to write incisors here. Then teeth used to chew and grind the food are molars. M-O-L-A-R-S, molars. Now then comes, give one word for the following. So part of the tooth visible to us. The first one is part of the tooth visible to us. The answer is crown. C-R-O-W-N, crown. Second one is sticky yellow substance formed on the teeth. Plaque. P-L-A-Q-U-E. Plaque. Then the sharp cone-shaped teeth used for tearing the food is called canines. C-A-N-I-N-E-S. Canines. Now you have to label the shown diagram from the options given below. Here options are also given and you have to label the parts of the tooth. This is the part of the structure of the tooth and you have to label its part. The top layer is called, the outermost layer is called enamel. Where is it written? This one. E-N-A-M-E-L, enamel. Then this layer, this is also the outermost layer which is visible to us, known as crown. CROWN, crown. Then comes this is the neck of the tooth, NECK, neck. And this one is gum, GUM, gum. Now this portion is the root, 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 and this is the structure of the tooth. Then comes match the following. You can see here you have to match this column to this one. Now first one is molars. So first is your cutting teeth. No, this is not the answer. Tearing teeth? No. Cracking teeth? No. Then grinding teeth? Yes. So molars are the grinding teeth. Now premolars? Premolars are cracking teeth. Crown? They are not cutting teeth. They are not tearing teeth. White visible portion. Neck. Neck is the portion between gum and teeth. Just match it here. Then canines. Canines, they are tearing teeth. And then finally incisors. Incisors are the cutting teeth. Okay. Right, true or false? Incisors are 2 in number in each jaw. The answer is false. They are 4 in number in each jaw. Then milk teeth are 15 in number. This is also false. Milk teeth, they are 20 in number. They are temporary teeth. They are 20 in number. Bones are made up of carbohydrates. This is also false. Why? Because bones, they are made of calcium phosphate. Then canines are known as tearing teeth. Yes, this is true. Premolars are known as grinding teeth. False. Premolars are known as cracking teeth.